Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be teaching you a very easy and a quick version. This is the healthy version of the Indian green chicken. I have used very few ingredients and it's a quick and an easy recipe to make. So let's quickly get started. I have used very few ingredients. So for the marination of the chicken, I am using green chilies and coriander leaves, or the cilantro as you call it, and then going to, with little bit of water, make a smooth paste out of these two ingredients. I'm using your bone in chicken. You can use any chicken of your choice. Then yogurt, ginger and garlic paste. I have used freshly grounded ginger and garlic paste. It gives a great flavor. Thereafter, adding the green paste and marinating the chicken for half an hour or 1 hour minimum. The more you marinate the chicken, it is the better, but I kept it marinated for half an hour and it was perfect. I am also adding little bit of salt during the marination. Now in a hot wok, adding some vegetable oil. Thereafter, adding thinly sliced onions. All the measurements of all the ingredients are there in the description box. Frying the onions until it becomes translucent in color. Thereafter, adding some freshly chopped tomatoes and some slit green chilies and sauteing all the ingredients until everything becomes soft and translucent. I'm adding some salt as per my taste and some garam masala powder, little bit of sugar, mixing all the ingredients together, and then it's time to add the marinated chicken. Now this recipe is as simple as it looks. Just going to cook this chicken until it becomes soft and tender and oil starts to separate from the chicken. So mixing all the ingredients well and cooking it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Thereafter, I will be closing the pan with a lid and simmer it for approximately another 10 minutes. You can see how this looks now. As I'm going to make it little bit of gravy style, so adding little bit of water in the same bowl I had marinated the chicken and adding it to this, and going to simmer or cook it for another 10 minutes or so, or maybe 5 minutes. I think in high flame it should be good enough. So the Indian green chicken, or the cilantro chili chicken, is ready. In Bengali we do call it the dhone pata kacha lonka murgir jhol. So at last I am adding some freshly grounded garam masala. The recipe of this garam masala I have added in the description box, so you can check that out. This gives a great aroma to the chicken because it's freshly grounded. So mixing everything well once and going to serve it. You can have this healthy version of the green chicken with anything of your choice. It is really a very delicious and a healthy recipe and is a must try. Do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Show Me's World. Until then, bye bye.